Now let's take one problem. This is problem 6.9 from NCERT. The combustion of 1 mole of benzene takes place at 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheres. After combustion, carbon dioxide gas and water liquid are produced and 3267.0 kilojoules of heat is liberated. Calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of benzene, the standard enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide gas and H2O liquid are minus 393.5 kilojoules per mole and minus 285.83 kilojoules per mole respectively. So in this question they are asking us to calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of benzene. To write the reaction of formation, we use the elements in their elemental form. Benzene bears the formula C6H6. So it requires 6 moles of carbon and 3 moles of dihydrogen gas. Now the data that is given to us involves the enthalpy of combustion for 1 mole of benzene, and the reaction for it can be written as C6H6 in the liquid form will react with 15/2 dioxygen to give 6 moles of carbon dioxide gas and 3 moles of water in the liquid state. And this combustion enthalpy is minus 3267 kilojoules mole inverse. Now the enthalpy of formation for 1 mole of carbon dioxide is also given to us, and to write the enthalpy for the formation of carbon dioxide, we will write the reaction where carbon in its elemental form, in its standard form, that is graphite, will be reacting with the oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So in this reaction the heat of formation is mentioned. Now similarly we can write the formation of water liquid in the form like hydrogen will react with half mole of dioxygen to form 1 mole of water in the liquid state, and the enthalpy change involves minus 285.83 kilojoules per mole. Now since you can see that for the formation of benzene we require 6 moles of carbon and 3 moles of dihydrogen, but the equations which we are getting, that is the equation for the formation of carbon dioxide and the formation of water, they are involving just 1 mole of carbon and 1 mole of hydrogen. So what we have to do, we have to multiply our equation 3 by 6 so that the number of moles of carbon may become equal. Similarly, since in the required equation 3 moles of dihydrogen is involved, so we have to multiply equation number 4 by 3. Now multiplying equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 3, we get the following equations, right? Remember, whenever you are multiplying any equation, then the enthalpy changes are also multiplied by the same factor. Now once you will add these two equations, we will get that 6 moles of carbon is now reacting with 3 moles of dihydrogen and 15/2 moles of oxygen. This 15/2 moles of oxygen comes from the summing of 6 moles of oxygen and 3/2 moles of oxygen to give 6 moles of carbon dioxide and 3 moles of water liquid. Now because we are adding the above these two equations, therefore the enthalpy of formation will also get added up. So we have used equation 3 and 4 to get a reaction which is involving carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide and water. Right? Now we will reverse our equation 2. By reversing the equation 2, remember that the sign of enthalpy also get reversed. In our textbook, you can see that the sign of the formation is not changed. It should have been changed. I can show you here this value. This one. In this reaction, you can see all the equation 2 has been reversed, but the sign they have not changed. So it should have been plus now. Now adding the equation 5 obtained by summing equation 3 and 4 get after multiplying by the factor 6 and 3 respectively. So we will add equation number 5 and equation number 6. By adding these two, you will find that the 6 moles of carbon dioxide on the right hand side of equation 5 and on the left hand side of equation 6, these two will get cancelled out. Similarly, 3 moles of water will also get cancelled out. Then you will remain, and also 15 by 2 moles of oxygen will also get cancelled out. So we will left with 6 moles of carbon, 3 moles of dihydrogen to give benzene. And on adding equation number 5 and 6, we will get that the heat of formation for benzene is minus 48.5 kilojoules mole inverse.